Let's start here. You don't need a new face. You need better habits. Because most bad face card situations are not genetics. They're inflammation, dehydration, tension, poor grooming, and inconsistent discipline. And the best part? You can visibly upgrade your face in 7 days, without surgery, without fillers, without extreme treatments. But you have to focus on the right things. This is not about magic. This is about removing what's dulling you. Day 1. Hydration and inflammation reset. The first thing ruining your face card is internal. Puffiness, dullness, under-eye heaviness. Increase water immediately. Reduce sodium and ultra-processed foods. Stop late-night scrolling. Sleep early. Within 24 to 48 hours of better hydration and sleep, your face looks less swollen. Your eyes look clearer. Your jawline looks sharper. You cannot glow if your body is inflamed. Day 2. Skin barrier repair. Stop attacking your skin. No harsh scrubs. No over-exfoliating. No 5 new products at once. Gentle cleanser. Hydrating serum. Moisturizer. Sunscreen. At night, double cleanse and repair. Your goal for these 7 days is calm skin. Calm skin reflects light better. When your barrier is stable, your face automatically looks smoother. Day 3. Grooming precision. Brows. Brows frame your entire face. Brush them upward. Clean around them. Fill lightly if needed. Then lips. Exfoliate gently. Apply balm consistently. Then teeth. If possible, start a mild whitening routine, or at least maintain clean, polished oral hygiene. These small details elevate your face without heavy makeup. Day 4. Posture and jawline. Awareness. Yes, posture changes your face. If you're slouching constantly, your neck compresses, your jaw softens, and your face looks heavier. Stand upright. Relax your shoulders. Elongate your neck. Also, relax your jaw. Many people hold tension in their jaw and forehead without realizing it. Drop your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Unclench. Tension hardens your expression. Softness refines it. Day 5. Strategic makeup upgrade. This is not about more product. It's about placement. Lift your blush slightly higher on the cheeks. Avoid dragging contour downward. Use cream products for a more natural finish. Add light to the high points of your face instead of mattifying everything. If you wear concealer, blend upward, not downward. Makeup should enhance structure, not weigh it down. Day 6. Under eye and skin brightness. Focus under eyes make or break a face card. Sleep properly. Use a cold compress in the morning if needed. Hydrate the area gently. Avoid heavy baking under your eyes. Light, blended concealer looks better than thick layers. Brightness equals alertness. Alertness equals attractiveness. Day 7. Energy and expression. Reset. This is the part nobody talks about. Your expression can ruin your face card faster than acne ever could. If you constantly look irritated, stressed, or insecure, that becomes your resting face. Practice softening your expression. Relax your eyes. Slightly lift your chin. Maintain calm eye contact. Also, stop negative self-talk. When you believe you look good, your posture changes. Your eye contact improves. Your movements slow down. Confidence reshapes perception. Now let's zoom out. 7 days will not change your bone structure, but it will reduce inflammation. Calm your skin. Improve grooming. Sharpen posture. Brighten your expression. And when those layers stack, the shift is noticeable. Your features look clearer. Your skin looks smoother. Your eyes look brighter.